All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Let's take a look at Alamo. Even though it says Alamo here, just a quick reminder, Alamo, Enterprise, and National all share the same fleet. So even though this says Alamo, it's kind of, this is where park some of the upgrades. So we got a Polestar, we got a minivan, Silverado pickup. And just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe. If you guys haven't already subscribed, if you want to see more of these videos, click on the like. And we got a smaller BMW SUV. Sahara Wrangler, got a couple of those. Oh, this one's got the black roof on it. Okay, that's a little different. We got a Gladiator. Man, there's lots of Gladiators coming in. GLC 300 SUVs. Dodge Ram pickup. Another Wrangler. Again, keep in mind the signs say Alamo, but this is usually where they park the upgrades for National, Enterprise, and Alamo. Oh, we got a Lincoln Aviator. That's nice. It's actually really nice. I wouldn't mind driving one of those. We got a Mercedes. Another Mercedes here. Expedition. A new Wrangler with 194 on the hood. Oh man, let's take a look at this. Might be a little bit newer. Is that some kind of trim package? Wrangler Unlimited. 194 black. Some of these have the black roof. Tan interior. Oh boy, I gotta look this up on the website. This is the exit for you guys if you need to. Curious where that is. Is this, what's this Wrangler telling us here? Is it live? It's not live. We can take a, let's take a peek inside. Okay, so it's got the tan interior. Yeah, maybe 5,000 kilometers. Okay, maybe it's just like a trim graphics package or something. Yeah, I'll have to look that up. 1941. Okay, so I think that's actually a lot of stuff on the Jeep says 1941. I think that's the year they started making them. I'll have to look that up as well. Okay, so here again you can see tons of overflow, eh? So many cars. Great to see. Okay, so we got a Ram, Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi, another Expedition. If I can find some of these not squeezed in so tight, I can take a peek for you. This Kia's got US plates, so that's got to go back to the States. We've got another Aviator here, Lincoln. Got a Chrysler minivan, older minivan. Dodge Ram, all blacked out. That's kind of nice. Got another Chrysler minivan here. We got another Polestar, all electric. Again, just kind of ignore the Alamo signs. It's just where they park the overflow, the extra, the upgrades, and such. Another Mercedes here. Mercedes. Got another. Oh yeah. Here's another Rubicon, eh? I wouldn't mind trying one of these Rubicons sometime. So you can. I don't know if you guys actually, with the headlights on here, you can maybe see. It's got the off-road tires on it, eh? Oh, look at this too. It's got a little red Jeep one. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I love that color. Yeah, that would be, and it's got the black, I guess maybe the new ones have the black roof on them. And it looks like we got a 7 Series BMW. Don't get to see that very often. Yeah. Wow, that would be, see quite a few of those in the US. Let me see if I can, okay, so here's more of the overflow. Yeah, 750i. All right. Okay, let's take a look at some of the Alamo specialty. We got this Cadillac XT5. We got a Kia SUV. We got two of them here. We got a Ford Edge. One of these compact Kias. Another Trailblazer. Looks like they got a couple Trailblazers in. And we got Ford Explorer down at the end. There's the exit gates. So no line to get out today. And I think we'll wrap the Alamo video up here. Got a BMW SUV, got a RAV4. Just a quick reminder, go ahead, click that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. We're getting close to 1,000. If you want to see more of these videos, give the video a quick like. Got an Explorer Limited. We got another Polestar. Oh, this is the Performance Edition Polestar. You can tell with the gold brake calipers. We got a Durango Hemi. And then we'll wrap things up with this Mercedes here. And somebody coming out with this Malibu. All right. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.